The project that we're involved in is a ZEVI project, and the concept is a light freight logistics carrying vessel that will operate between the Thames estuarial areas of Tilbury and Gravesend, Dartford and Dagenham up into central London. It's an all-electric medium-speed vessel, and focus has been put on the design in order for it to accommodate the various tidal challenges that it will endure throughout the route.
White Shipyard are a company building high-speed aluminium craft based on the Isle of Wight. The Isle of Wight has got a long history of aluminium shipbuilding. Our yard foreman's grandfather built flying boats and father built hovercraft, so the very thin plate aluminium skills has got a long history on the island, which makes it the perfect place for us to build high-speed aluminium ferries. The zero-emission freight vessel that White Shipyard are building for Thames Clipper is using a similar hull philosophy to our previous vessels we built for Thames Clipper, but this time using 4 fully electric jets. Working on the Thames requires working within a very tight design envelope. There are many restrictions such as length, height, both air draft and water draft, as well as having to do 20 knots but in quite hostile conditions with up to 4 or 5 knots of tide at times.
The environmental benefits of this project not only removes vehicles from the roads and therefore congestion, it transports significant payload in one hit and delivers it to EVs or e-cargo bikes at the end destination, and therefore in itself is linking up with zero emission vehicles. Without the government funding, commercially, any business case would not have stacked up for us to do this proof of concept. But the government funding has resulted in match funding with us and our partners in allowing us to demonstrate this proof of concept.
White Shipyard operates on the Isle of Wight, which is traditionally an area of high unemployment. So the additional money coming in for this project will ensure that it keeps 45 people full-time employed on the island, which will help with levelling up and bringing good, high-quality, high-skilled jobs to the island. We currently have 22 apprentices and really want to work towards a future of building up our own skilled labour on the island. The Innovate UK timeframes for the ZEVI project were particularly tight. The exciting thing about that tight timeframe is it gets the vessel to the water fast and gets the concept proven nice and quickly, so we can then hopefully go on with a successful proof of concept to build more for the UK and also for export. There's a lot of risk involved in building this first-of-class vessel. It is a completely new concept for the Thames to do a fully electric freight vessel, so the government funding has allowed us to take that risk and allowed Thames Clipper to take that risk to build this vessel.